15 assets that build wealth. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities cost you money. The more assets you have generating income for you, the wealthier you become. This is the basic rule of building wealth. With that in mind, here are 15 assets that are helping the wealthy become even richer. Starting with cash at number 1. Straight-up cash placed in a bank deposit earns you interest. However, the downside is that interest rates from banks today often fail to keep up with inflation. Even so, cash is still essential. Companies like Apple have over $150 billion in cash reserves. Rich people keep cash for 2 key reasons. To quickly seize opportunities. When a lucrative deal arises, having cash allows you to act immediately. To achieve higher returns from cash-based transactions. Cash often enables better pricing or can be lent out for high interest through peer-to-peer lending. Platforms allow individuals to lend money directly, earning interest rates as high as 15 to 20%. However, always remain cautious and rational when investing. Real estate at number 2 is a favorite among investors for 2 main reasons. Rental income. Money flows in every month with minimal effort. Using technology, you can explore short-term rentals for higher returns. Appreciation. Population growth means increasing demand for housing, which drives property values upward over time. Types of real estate assets include residential buildings for tenants, office spaces rented by companies, commercial spaces for businesses, land for cultivation or development. Keep in mind that the house you live in is not an asset. It is a liability as it costs you money instead of generating income. The bonds at number 3. Bonds are issued by governments or businesses to raise funds. Investors who buy bonds receive regular payments, and the principal amount is returned upon bond maturity. Bonds are generally low risk and offer about 3% annual returns. While safer than some investments, they may not excite beginner investors. You can purchase bonds either directly from a Treasury Department or through brokerage firms. Stocks at number 4 represent ownership in a company. If a company issues 10 million shares and you own 1 million shares, you own 10% of that company. Stocks have made it possible for average individuals to invest in major companies with relatively low entry barriers. Mutual and index funds pool at number 5. Investments across multiple companies, providing diversification and reducing risk. Index funds like the S&P 500 have historically performed well. Top funds include Vanguard S&P 500 ETF and Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund. Equipment at number 6. Any tool that helps generate income qualifies as an asset. For example, a farmer's tractor or a programmer's laptop. However, if an item does not directly contribute to income, it is likely a liability. Patents protect are at number 7. Inventions, giving creators the right to profit from their ideas. Many products, from the Slinky to the Magic 8 Ball, generated immense wealth for their inventors through patents. Trademarks protect at number 8. Symbols, words, or phrases. When trademarks hold market value, they can be licensed to others for a fee. For example, Michael Buffer trademarked a popular catchphrase and earned over $400 million from it. Brands at number 9 represent a company's reputation and image, while goodwill reflects customer affection and loyalty. Strong branding like Disney or Kardashian products can significantly increase value. Employees are valuable assets at number 10. A company's innovation and success depend on its workforce. Hiring talented individuals can dramatically impact growth and profitability. Buying raw materials at number 11, like gold or oil when prices are low and selling when demand is high, can yield significant returns. Similarly, vintage cars, luxury watches, and art often appreciate in value. Information products like books and digital courses at number 12 are highly scalable. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal additional costs. Music, too, can generate lifelong income from royalties. Royalties are earnings from intellectual property at number 13, like books, TV shows, or films. The cast of the TV show Friends, for example, continues to earn millions annually from reruns. Certain laws or competitive advantages at number 14 can create assets. For example, Native Americans in the U.S. have exclusive rights to certain gambling activities. Similarly, tax exemptions for churches or art museums act as valuable assets. Innovation in business can be a major asset at number 15. For instance, Apple's App Store, Netflix's shift to streaming, and Airbnb's disruption of the hotel industry demonstrate how new business models can create long-lasting value. Time is your most valuable asset as a bonus. Use it to generate money, then reinvest that money to buy other people's time. This is the foundation of every successful business. Which of these assets will you secure in the future? Let us know. Remember, understanding the time-money-time concept can help you build lasting wealth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.